Keep your awning secure in windy weather with our RV Anchors kit. Wrap the soft loop around the end of the roller tube and tie a cowhitch knot. Now, hook the end of the hook strap onto the soft loop. Insert the other end of the hook strap into the metal ratchet buckle and thread it through. Press and lift the ratchet handle repeatedly until the strap is tight and secure. Attach the hook on the ratchet buckle to the end of the shock-absorbing spring. Insert the spiral stake into the ground at your chosen spot. These stakes have a strong grip, perfect for all types of soil. Slip the other end of the shock-absorbing end through the triangle ring on the stake. Again, press and lift the ratchet handle until the strap is fully tightened. Now that it's all set up, let me quickly show you how to release the ratchet buckle. Just press the spring tab and open it all the way. Pull the long strap through until it's fully released. The ratchet buckle locks the strap tighter to secure your awning, and it's easy to release. This is the perfect way to secure your awning, preventing wind damage so you can enjoy your outdoor time. Get yours in the link in the video description.